Meaning of gavel.
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 Gavel. A gavel is a small hammer used by a person in authority, such as a judge, to signal for attention or to mark the beginning or end of a session. It is often associated with the legal system and is used to maintain order in courtrooms, auctions, and meetings. The sound of the gavel represents the power and authority of the person using it. The word gavel comes from the Old English word gaffel, which means tribute or rent. Today, the gavel is a symbol of authority and is widely recognized as a tool used in many formal settings.